everybody, happy Earth Day. Maggie here, the horticultural therapist for Mercy Home's Plant Grow Give program, inviting you to celebrate with us by regrowing food from scraps. Amazingly, many common foods can be regrown from just one part. In this video, I'm going to show you how. I'm excited for you to get to watch your food regrow. Alright, let's get going.
To prepare our food scraps, we'll be using knives. If you need assistance, please ask for it. Some foods can be cut with a plastic knife, but for others we'll need a more sturdy metal knife. Keep the blade pointed away from you and stay away from the pointed end. We're going to use a cutting technique called the claw, where we keep our knuckles bent 45 degrees away from the blade, protecting our fingertips. To regrow your food scraps, you'll be placing the root end in water. And if you have soil, you can replant your scraps there after they've begun to grow roots. It's important you only submerge the end and not the whole cutting so that your scrap doesn't rot. And make sure to change the water every day. For an onion, cut about an inch up from the root end and peel off the outer paper layer. For a leek, cut off the white end. Cut about a third of the way up a green onion. With garlic, place the flat edge where the roots will grow in water. For celery, you can use a plastic knife. Chop off the base and submerge the end. For lettuce, you can also use a plastic knife. Cut off the tops of carrots to regrow the greens to use in salads. Garlic that's already sprouted is too bitter to cook with, but can be replanted, and the greens can be used for cooking with, like chives or green onions. One growing trick, if you have skewers or toothpicks, is to elevate your food scrap so that the bottom is submerged in water, but it's not touching the bottom of your container. Once you see root growth, you can replant your scraps into soil. For onions, just bury the root side and leave the top exposed. Onions will grow much like chives or leeks, but if you're willing to wait 90 to 120 days, you can regrow a full bowl. You'll see changes take place in your food scraps within a matter of days. Happy growing!